How to purchase and activate Freedom Mobile eSIM in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for freedommobile.ca. That's the official website of Freedom Mobile eSIM. And then you just have to simply come to the home page and scroll down, and you have to purchase a plan. Like best value for $6 per GB is 5 GB for $30, 2 data eSIM option. So you have to buy a eSIM from here, and after purchasing that eSIM, you have to choose your travel eSIM, install the travel SIM onto your device. So let me tell you how you can install it or activate it. So first of all, you have to know if your eSIM is eligible on your device. So eSIMs are available to new and existing customers. To activate new service on an eSIM, get started online to visit their store. And if you already have Freedom service and want to convert your service from a physical SIM to an eSIM, you'll need an eSIM compatible phone. Use your device compatibility tool to confirm if your phone is eSIM compatible, or check out their latest phones to get a eSIM compatible Freedom phone. And let me tell you about the setting up the eSIM. Before getting started, they recommend the following: like, make sure your phone is compatible with eSIM and fully up-to-date software. Check their device compatibility tool to confirm your phone can use an eSIM, and make sure to have access and Wi-Fi connection. If you are porting your mobile number from another carrier, they recommend waiting until your port request is complete before setting up your eSIM. Please ensure your service with the other carrier remains active so you can receive the SMS required to approve the port out request. Once your eSIM is set up, it may take up to 15 minutes if your Freedom service is activated. So for instant activation, if you activate a new line and purchase an eSIM compatible phone from Freedom, your service will activate automatically with an eSIM. Simply connect to Wi-Fi and follow the on-screen prompts during your device initial steps. So if you want to set up with on-device eSIM transfer, you are upgrading from a Freedom phone to another Freedom eSIM compatible phone, or both phones support on a device eSIM transfers. To get started, confirm your phone support eSIM transfers using the compatibility table flow. You're converting your service from a physical SIM to an eSIM, and phone supports on device eSIM transfer. So you can also set up via QR code. You are bringing your phone to your Freedom. You are upgrading from your Freedom phone to another eSIM compatible phone, but one of the device doesn't support on device eSIM transfer. Refer to confirm if your phone support eSIM transfer, and you're converting your service from a physical SIM card to an eSIM, and your phone does not support on device eSIM transfer. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.